Tired of expensive software subscriptions, but still craving the power of Photoshop? Let's dive into how you can access this incredible software without breaking the bank. First up, the official route. Adobe offers a free trial. Head over to the Adobe website and find the Photoshop product page. Look for the option to start a 7-day free trial. Click that button. You'll likely be prompted to create an Adobe account or log in. If you already have one, don't worry, you won't be charged unless you continue the subscription after the trial ends. Now, what if the trial isn't enough, or you simply can't afford Photoshop? Don't worry. Several fantastic free online alternatives mimic Photoshop's functionality. Search online for free online photo editors. We'll discover websites offering similar features like layers, filters, and editing tools, all within your web browser. Many of these editors offer a surprisingly comprehensive feature set. Experiment with different sites to find one that clicks with your style and workflow. You can upload your images, make edits, and download your finished projects, all completely free. So, whether you opt for the free trial or explore the world of online alternatives, accessing the magic of Photoshop, or something very close, is easier than you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. #free Photoshop #Photoshop tips.